A king had a large number of slaves. One of them was very black. He was true to the king, so the king loved him greatly. One day, the king went out on a camel. Some slaves walked in front of the king. Others went behind the king. The black slave rode on a horse by the side of his master, the king. The king had a box. There were pearls in it. On the way, the box fell down in a narrow street. It broke into pieces. The pearls rolled on the ground. The king said to his slaves, "Go and take the pearls. I do not want them any longer," said the king. The slaves ran and gathered the pearls. They took those pearls. The black slave did not leave his place. At the same time, a tiger came in front of the king, and the king and his black-faced slave got scared of it. All the slaves collected the pearls and ran out of there, and the king was thinking that he had to surrender his life. The black slave was in too much of scare, but he knew his duty and covered the king for saving him from the tiger attack. Somehow, both of them tried to make the tiger run out of there. The slave was by the side of his master till the end. He guarded his master and cared for the life of him. He didn't care for the master's pulse. He was the true servant. The king observed the attitude of the servant and gave him many gifts. The moral: always care of your duty and follow your heart, no matter how much difficult the situation is.